From the 605 to worldwide, it's DJ Strick.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing out there? It's your boy right here, DJ Strick of the DJ Strick Show, coming at you live. It's almost 5 in the morning. And, yes, I've been drinking. Reason why I'm actually coming on line right now is because, this whole looting and rioting bullshit is just fucked up. But see, me speaking on that, y'all get mad at me for, not saying that the cops are murderers and everything and shit. Yes, I see that. I see, I kind of rehearse this a little bit. Just trying to kind of find out what I gotta say. And to me personally, this has been going on way too motherfucking long. And to the people of non-color who don't see, life through our eyes and how we see everything in aspect, you're like, well, how come you can't do this? How come you can't do that? It's like, well, you would never know. You would never know. Seriously, you don't understand. It's hard to explain. And you think we're privileged like you are? No, hell no. No, it's been too many years. Way too long. Yes, I have friends who back up, my natives, my Mexicans, and my blacks. When I say that, I'm saying that as me saying that the wrong way, because I actually meant to say back us up minorities. So, yeah, it's just kind of weird. As I'm doing this podcast, there's a freaking black cat right in my backyard from my window. Wow, that was weird. And that cat's never been around ever before. Holy shit. So I must be on something. Or when I say something, I must be on a topic or subject that needs to be said on my podcast. But if I lose listeners, here we go. I gotta say this first of all. Y'all talk about, you wasn't saying shit about Obama. Y'all wasn't saying shit about that president. You know what? If you think about it, my ancestors, when I say my ancestors, I'm talking about Lakotas, natives, they didn't have that kind of stuff. They didn't have no 3 branches and blah, blah, blah. They had their own thing, So anyways, I'm not a liberal. I'm not a conservative. I'm not Republican. I'm not Democrat. I'm not, like I said, liberal, whatever, bullshit, I don't, well, that's something that person should say. You know what? If you have to live your life that way to justify every aspect in every being or thing in your life of like, oh, the Twix is on the left, the Twix is on the right, then you are just fucked up because you are controlled. Yeah, seriously, you are controlled. I mean, seriously, if you actually go back and ask natives, Lakotas, Dakota, and any other tribe, 500 other tribes plus tribes, they'll tell you some, stories that wasn't them. That's not them. But I notice it's always somebody who is from here. Oh, my grandparents were born here. Yeah, your grandparents were born here. But their grandparents were, their parents were somewhere else. Anyways, I just kind of went off subject. Anyways. So what I'm getting at is, DJ Strick, the DJ Strick Show, really don't have a side, I don't, I just don't. And I like to tell people online, keep the divide alive, because that's what they're doing. They're dividing everybody, and they're keeping it alive. And another thing I also noticed is, if you ever notice, Republicans, red, Democrat, blue, it's like gang member shit. They're trying to be gangsters. And when I say this kind of shit, I don't mean like to glorify it. I mean like they actually sit there and like don't see it. But when somebody who's a minority, does the blue and red shit, they're like, those are thugs, those are people who are bad, they're wrong. No, you guys do it too. Y'all just don't see it because you have suits and ties and you get paid hundreds and thousands of dollars. Or as that orange dude says, billions and billions and billions, and trillions and trillions. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I can do his voice better. It's just I don't want to do it right now. So, anywho, that's my rant and rage, and if y'all can understand it, and if it cut in and out and popped in and out, I'm sorry. It's just I respect Spreaker, .com and everything. It's just it seems like sometimes when I use my equipment on here, it pops out my vocals when it barely exceeds the limits on the vocal range. Yeah. If y'all DJs are out there, you understand what I mean. So, anywho, shoot. I don't know if I want to play anything, because I don't have really anything to play for you guys. I don't have any new music, or shit. Oh, fuck. Since Minneapolis and Minnesota is actually getting all fucked up and, done did wrong and everything. So, shoot. I got an artist from there that gave me, sent me an album, and everybody knows the song in native land. So, homeboy, this song goes out to you because you made it, and I'm gonna DJ for you.
Yeah. Lil Lee, Soda Pop Productions, Net Lake, got that fried bread booty. Beach Lake, got that fried bread booty. Cass Lake, got that fried bread booty. Red Lake, got that fried bread booty. Hey girl, damn, don't you know you're a cutie? Straight from the res with that native beauty. She wears diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. Damn, look at her with that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Res girl got that fried bread booty. Yeah, it don't matter where she lives. Any res girl got nothing in the fridge. You gonna find that trying to say that's his. How you gonna do that when your booty ain't big? Flat little bumps got nothing in the trunk. If your booty was a candy, I would call it Lil Run. Lumps ain't nothing but a little bit of dough. When you move it all around, I can see your belly roll. Only res girls got that gummy butt. I still can't see it when you try to poke it up. Yo, what's up? I can tell you really digging this. When I try to grab your booty, I reach out and miss. If it fits in my palm or fits on my arm, I wanna know how you do it, cause you got it going on. You got it from your mom, then show me how you play. Shh, don't speak, cause you know I'ma say, hey girl, damn, don't you know you're a cutie? Straight from the res with that native beauty. She wears diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. Damn, look at her with that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Oh, what that fried bread booty. Res girl got that fried bread booty. That fried bread booty. That fried bread booty. Damn, she looks like a model. Fine shape like a Smirnoff bottle. Man, getting money is her motto. Fried bread butt makes her junk waddle. Yeah, she don't care what you think. She don't care if you smoke. She don't care if you drink. Blink a couple times trying to get it back in focus. I know how she works, so her body is a dope bitch. Look, ma, notice what I do. You know we can kick it like a couple pair of shoes. Who you trying to be? The baddest chick ever? I know that you're hot like you're wearing tennis sweaters. Whoa, but she turning up the heat. She trying to shake something like she got some booty meat. If It's a treat just to watch it. Her pants just say her booty looks like an empty black garbage bag. Hey girl, damn, don't you know you're a cutie? Straight from the res with that native beauty. She wears diamonds, sapphires, and rubies. Damn, look at her with that fry bread booty. Oh, what that fry bread booty. Oh, what that fry bread booty. Oh, what that fry bread booty. Res girl got that fry bread booty.
What? That's homeboy right there. Lee Pseudo Pop Productions. All the way from Minnesota, Minneapolis. DJ Red Lake. I actually been there on that res before. Doing my music, and they actually asked me and my crew to come up there. And that shit was fun. Except from the pull their guns out. Was doing a concert, and I already spoke about this before. We did a concert there, some kind of rec show, some youth event. Me and another crew. I don't know if I can say their name because I might, get myself in trouble. And fuck it. It was Native Era, and I was their DJ, and we did a show there at some show event, and got done performing, and not even 10, maybe 5-10 minutes later, some dude was on the stage, and some other dude was on the floor, and like just maybe 10 feet away from us, maybe 8 feet away from us, pulled out a silver 45. And when I say silver, it was like all chrome, and then all of a sudden, dude grabbed us. It's like, run, get out of here. It's like, oh shit. And, we're from Pine Ridge Res, we're used to kind of used to that kind of stuff, but not up front like they are out there. When I say they, he sounds racist, and fuck you. So, anywho, so when I was thinking of that song, I actually wanted to play my track, that's also Fry Bread, featuring, oh my goodness, Slim Main and R.I.E. Fuck it, let's just play it, because I'm fucking drunk, and y'all gonna be hearing this in, 10 years from now, so. Alright, keep it.
Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread before lunch, fried bread in bed, fried bread in the middle of the night. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning. I like my fried bread in the morning, fried bread in the evening, fried bread at night, fried bread when I'm eating, and it's just that good, so I gotta have one, that fried bread power. Yeah, I want some, I could dip it in my soup, I could take it for a snack, fried bread every day, so I gotta make a stack. If you ain't down with it, you better ask somebody. Yeah, I like my Indian taco, when I get hungry, my cheese on top, and a little bit of hot sauce, put that in my system. Yeah, and I'ma set it off, the native honeys love it, so they know what's good. It's that fried bread loving, baby, yeah, we could split it in half, you get the bigger piece, we could share it all between you and me, we could split it in half, you get the bigger piece, we could share it all between you and me, yeah. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread before lunch, fried bread in bed, fried bread in the middle of the night. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread.
Set my alarm the night before 10 a.m.
running on my mouth off the dough. Homie told me where I'd not eaten that for. Said that's alright, bringing my turn to the microphones. We gonna rock till we hurt the earlobes. 3:30 and I'm pulling in, getting ready to eat, dig in. Biggest piece of fried bread I grab, then I add butter with the beans, you know what I mean. Cheese on top, then comes the lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream. No onions cause I like my bread clean. Belly so full I can't receive my feet. Sit in the chair, lay back while I take your bucket heading home. Smell like fried bread cologne. Yeah. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread, fried bread in the morning, fried bread before lunch, fried bread in bed, fried bread in the middle of the night. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread.
What can I have with it? A little salt, nah, maybe a whole lot. Some honey, hell yeah, put it in between. What is it? Navajo or Indian? I really don't care as long as I have my fried bread with some in the sauce. Get a little curry, gonna get a little curvy. Now let's put this sugar on top. Get a little hyper, maybe get a little merry and get hella hungry. Now we going with the wind. Oh my God, I'm living the dream. Get that bluebird, baking soda and some salt. Now mix, you cannot stop. Now let's put you in, get that mutton on the grill and get the ball with some green hatch chili. It's a novel kind of thing, not a man.
Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread before lunch, fried bread in bed, fried bread in the middle of the night. Fried bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread. Bread and butter, fried bread and jam, fried bread and soup, fried bread in the morning, fried bread before lunch, fried bread in bed, fried bread in the middle of the night.
Oh wow, somehow went from trying to be all political and shit and ended up playing some jams and everything because it's like me cross-eyed, not feeling good inside. So anywho, if y'all listen to me and just actually, like, you know, put the likes, share this. If you download this, at least share the link. You know, Spreaker.com and DJ Strick. You know, it's you know, DJ STRIC. You know, it's really that simple. I mean, you know, I spent a lot of money into this podcasting bullshit. You know, it's not really bullshit. It's just, if y'all understand, you know, what I'm trying to tell you is, you know, I'm done being an artist on stage. I'm done making albums and singles. I mean, I'll make singles and collaborations, but, you know, I'm kind of done being on stage. I mean, I invested my money into DJ, you know, sound system. If you guys see my system, you guys be like, okay, he's gonna be our sound guy if we ever go to South Dakota, if we ever go to Pine Ridge or Oglala. That dude's gonna be our sound guy. Seriously. In serio, que no? I know y'all probably can hear the birds coming up, you know, and my voice fucks it up. But seriously, I don't know. I think I'm just kind of going through here and just trying to find old shit. Wish being old shit. You know, because in my podcast, I paid for it. I ain't actually trying to do the full 45 minutes and everything. I just want to bring some old stuff up. So, anywho, yeah, so anywho, back to looting, rioting. What's that going to prove to your community? What's that going to prove? I mean, think about it. You know, an example. A mother, single father, taking care of the kid. And like, oh, I need to go somewhere to get diapers. I need somewhere to, you know, somewhere cheap to get this for my kid. And all you motherfuckers destroy that kind of shit. When I say all you motherfuckers, I mean you ignorant, not even ignorant, you selfish motherfuckers are like, look at me, I want to go steal this from this store and cover my face up. Yeah. And another thing I noticed too is y'all covering your faces up, but, and I think it's a conspiracy, but I don't know, but covering your faces up, you know, can't see your face and everything, but, and you take it away from elders, you take it away from children, you take it away from single mothers, fathers. Damn, y'all fucked up. So once again, it's your boy right here, DJ Strick, of the DJ Strick Show. You can find me on Spreaker.com and a bunch of other places. It's just I can't find them right now because I know they're on Google. Miguel, you trying to pass out? No, I'm trying to go Google. What the fuck? Go that bad. What the hell? This guy, leave me alone. I don't mind. I'm gonna look around real quick. No, seriously, I know. There's like a lot of websites I'm on linked to. It's just hard to bring them up on here because when you're doing your own shit, when you're doing your own stuff, it's kind of hard. And plus, they ask you for more money to. Shit, I have 34 cents right now. If you all keep on hitting the clicks and hitting the likes and playing this every time you hear it, don't skip past the ads or whatever, then y'all gonna give me some money. And maybe I can give back to you guys. But y'all stingy. Shit. I don't care if y'all can hear me or can't hear me. Just bear with me. This is actually the first time y'all, this is the first time you all heard me being like this. Because usually I try to be all cool and relax and playing a beat and a song in the background. No, I'm trying to just be me, just do this. Fuck. Oh, is it connections? Oh, that's the basic connections. Shoot. Damn. I forgot how to do this. Billing info, yeah, they sure want my money. I already paid you, jeez. Motherfuckers don't know I gotta still pay child support. Oh, this is gonna be so fun to listen to later on. Fuck it, I'll play some of these beats in the background to just drown out the freaking me breathing or whatever. If it goes through. Oh my goodness. Let's find out what's going on. And then I'll let you know this shows up online. It actually shows every instrumental and every song I play online. So, if you send me a song, it actually, every word for word, like right now it's an instrumental, emotional rap, hip hop beat. Tacklemore Style by Mickey Monts. So if y'all send me a song, yeah, I'll play it for you. So I'm gonna give you another 5 minutes. What the hell was I looking for? Song in the background, yeah.
From the 605 to worldwide, it's DJ Strick. I was looking for something. I don't know. I know you can hear me breathing and shit. I forgot what I was trying to do, you guys. I just remember trying to find back Forever Booty and Forever Jam. Let me play a song that I just barely found. I don't know. Shit. Maybe it's time to go to bed. Don't you just love the internet? Or computers? What was that? Did y'all hear that? That was weird. I don't know, fucking. Alright, I'm fucking up, y'all. I'm fucking up. Let me clear this out and just play some bullshit, or not bullshit. Song dedicated out to my girls.
Get you, darling. Henrietta, Buffy, Rosaline. If I forgot anybody else, I'm sorry. But yeah, Pirata.
Señorita, I wanna get you tonight. Miss Señorita, we gon' make everything right. Miss Señorita, I wanna get you tonight. Miss Señorita, everybody pump